the train channel. We got a CSX train. Let's check it out. 3 engines up front this time. Just enough percentage to get this train on the other phone. I'll check it later. Got another train, another camera version. This has got to be CSX M4 some 300 or 400 something 3. This is only the 3rd CSX today. Luckily we got something besides the coal. There's the end of the CSX Mixed Manifest Freight Train from Jeffrey the Train Channels on YouTube on this Tuesday, September 15th or 16th, 2025. That was pretty good. So, alright, that's gonna do it for this version. We'll be back on with another train and we'll talk to you guys later.